Hey guys, here we will see how to configure trunk interface or trunk port on Cisco switches and how to allow Vlan on the trunk port. Let's get started. This is the topology. I have two switches, 1 and 2. We'll configure a trunk between these two ports and we'll check how to allow VLAN on trunk port. This is gig 0/1, this is all gig 0/2. Now open the CLI. This is the CLI. Check show interface trunk. We don't see any trunk port. Now go to config modes. Go to interface configuration mode gig 0/1. Then switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Then enter. Now switch port mode trunk. Go to the other switch and do the same. No. Enable conf t interface gig 0/2 switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Enter. Then switch port mode trunk. This is the command. Now Control Z. Check. Show interface trunk. Now we can see port 0/2 gig 0/2 is the trunk port. Check on other switch. Show interface trunk. Okay, and we can see gig 0/1 and the VLAN, the default VLAN is 1 is allowed on the trunk port. By default, all the VLAN will be allowed on trunk port, but we can do manually. We can filter the VLAN here. We can add specific VLAN on the trunk port. Let's see how. Create two more VLANs. Conf t VLAN 2 name jk2 exit VLAN 3 name jk3. Now go to the other switch. Conf t VLAN 2 name jk2 exit VLAN 3 name jk3. Now check. Show interface trunk. We can see VLAN 1, 2, and 3 allowed. See trunk mode on, encapsulation.1q, status trunking, native VLAN 1. VLANs allowed on trunk by default all, but here we can see 1, 2, 3. Now we'll do manual filtering on the trunk port. then conft interface gig 0/2. We can allow here VLAN also. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN. If we put any VLAN here, then it will override. Let's see, it will override the other VLAN because it will override on 1 to 3. Just put 4 here. We don't have created. Let's see. Enter. Check on the other switch. Conf, do the same thing. Interface gig 0/1. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 4. Now check. Show interface trunk. We can see only VLAN 4. Then how to add? We need whatever is there and the new VLAN also. Check here also. Show interface trunk. See, previously it was 1, 2, 3. Now only we can see VLAN 4. Then if we do like this, there will be outage of the production. To avoid, how to add VLAN on existing trunk port. Now conf t interface gig 0/2 switch port trunk allowed VLAN add. Give this command add 1, 2, 3. Enter. Sorry. Add VLAN 1, then 1, but 1 normal iOS you can do multiple, 2, then 3. Now check. Show interface trunk. We can see 1 to 4. Okay. Now check on the other switch. Conf t interface gig 0/1 switch port trunk allowed VLAN add 1, 2, 3. We can do like this also. No, this is also. Then we have to do one by one here. But in normal we can do comma, we can use dash, enter. Now 2, now 3. Check here now. Show interface trunk. We can here see 1 to 4 and here 1 to 3. Why is this? Because we created 2 and 3 VLAN, but we didn't create here VLAN 4. Let's create VLAN 4 and see. VLAN 4, name JK4. Go to the other switch. Conf VLAN 4, name JK4. Now check. Show interface trunk. Yeah, now 1 to 3. Check on the other switch. Show interface trunk. Yeah, it's showing on that switch. It's not showing why. Let's see, do double click its game. Okay, it took some time. Now, how we can remove VLAN 3 from the trunk? How to remove? We can remove altogether. We can remove one by one. Let's see one by one. Go to conft interface gig 0/1 switch port trunk allowed VLAN remove 3. Go to the other switch. Conft interface gig 0/1 switch port trunk allowed VLAN remove 3. Now check. Show interface trunk 3 gone. Check on other switch. Show interface trunk. Still 3 here. We have removed from here. We didn't remove from here. Okay, remove and check again. CUNFT interface gig 0/2 switch port trunk allowed VLAN remove VLAN number. So we enter Control Z. Show interface trunk. Yeah, 3 gone.